Okay, good morning. I'm going to call to order the KPPA Ad Hoc Regulation Committee special meeting for June the 5th, and we're going to begin with a legal public statement.
Yes, sir. For the record, I want to note that this is a special meeting of the Ad Hoc Regulation Committee of the Kentucky Public Pensions Authority. This meeting is being held at the Kentucky Public Pensions Authority offices located at 1260 Louisville Road, Frankfort, Kentucky, and by video and telephonic conference, and is being broadcast to the public by Facebook pursuant to Kentucky Revised Statutes, Section 61.826. I ask if you are speaking and not appearing by video, please identify yourself before talking. In the event the video or audio broadcast is interrupted, we will attempt to reestablish a connection. If a connection cannot be reestablished within 30 minutes, the meeting will be adjourned and rescheduled to another date.
Okay, thank you. Roll call.
Yes, sir. Mr. Piercy,
Here.
Mr. Cheatham,
Here.
and Mr. Powell. Thank you.
Okay, and it's my understanding there's no public comment. Is that correct, Sherry?
That is correct.
Okay. First item up is approval of minutes. Vicky, since Mr. Cheatham was not on the committee when this meeting occurred, and since there's only two of us, should we punt this to next meeting, or what's your advice?
You can vote on it because since the materials are available online,
Okay.
and Mr. Cheatham is now on the committee and the other board member who could vote is not, you can definitely vote on it.
Okay. All right. I will seek a motion for the approval of minutes for the March 7th, 2024 meeting.
I'll make the motion that minutes be accepted as presented.
Okay, and I will second. Any discussion? Seeing none, all those in favor? Aye. Any opposed? And that motion carries. Our first administrative reg open up for today is 105 KAR 1140, and looks like Jessica's with us. I think is going to take this.
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, so we have two administrative regulations to present today, and they are very much related to one another. They were all in one administrative regulation previously, which is the first one we're going to go over. All the information was located in this, and we separated them out because of the size and for easier amending in the future if we needed to. So first with 105 KAR 1140, which is employers' administrative duties. We have reorganized the sections and updated the language for consistency with all of our KPPA regulations and with our general definitions regulation that we also included for your reference with the material. In addition, we've added a lot of details about the processes and procedures used that are already being utilized by the KPPA. And we've incorporated by reference several forms and the employer reporting manual for this regulation. Do we have any questions about this one?
Do not. Mr. Cheatham, any questions?
No, I obviously being first time to this one, my only real question would be, are there any material changes being made other than just updating and organization?
Well, I would say that a material change would be that we really added a lot of details to those processes and procedures. It is a material change to the regulation itself. It is not a material change to the way we've already are handling.
That's the answer I was looking for. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Anything else on this one, Jessica?
No.
Okay, I will seek a motion to approve KAR 105 1140 and send it along to the full KPPA board.
Make a motion that we approve and present to the board.
And I will second. Any discussion? Seeing none, all those in favor? Aye. Any opposed? And that motion carries. And the second KAR is 105 1142.
Okay, this one is a new administrative regulation for limitations and exclusions on credible compensation in the last 5 years of service for members, retiring members with a membership date prior to January 1st, 2014. And again, the language from this did get pulled from 1140, the previous regulation, but we did update some of that language, again, for consistency with our other regulations and definitions. And we did add some detail to this regulation that wasn't previously included. And then we also incorporated 2 forms by reference that were not previously included. That's the general gist of that one. Does anybody have questions on this one?
Jessica, I think it's important for anybody watching this to know that this is often called pension spiking. This is the reg that would do that.
Yes, thank you, Rebecca.
And I think,
I'll add to answer the question that Mr. Cheatham raised with the previous regulation. A substantive or material change in this new regulation compared with what was used to be in the prior regulation is a definition of a bona fide promotion or career advancement that incorporates across the board raises. This is based on recent case law from the Kentucky Court of Appeals addressing the question of across the board raises and whether or not those are exempt from normal quote unquote pension spiking requirements.
Thank you, Carrie.
okay, any questions or discussions? Jessica, is that the gist of it?
That is.
Okay, I'll seek a motion to approve 105 KAR 1142 and send it on to the full KPPA board.
Make a motion, we accept as presented.
And I will second. Any discussion? Seeing none, all those in favor? Aye. Any opposed? And that motion carries. And just that quickly, we're at the end of our agenda. Appreciate everybody's attendance today, and I'm going to declare us adjourned. Thank you very much.